Hey beauties, today I'm going to be showing you my current blowout routine, including how I style my curtain bangs. This video was highly requested in my last hair dye video where I went dark and got this color. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra and I post lots of fashion and beauty content, lots of affordable Amazon and Walmart fashion, as well as beauty DIYs. If you enjoyed that kind of thing, we would love it if you joined our little fam here, so hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started with my blowout routine. I do like to blow out my hair when it's mostly dry, just a little damp. Usually by the time I'm done getting a full face on, my hair is damp enough to go in with the blow dryer. I think I'm gonna do 3 sections, so starting right here, right above my ears. I am just gonna spray a little primer. This is the Boost It Blowout Heat Spray by L'Oreal. It says it gives lasting volume and heat protection. This also makes my hair super shiny. Love this bottle for traveling because it literally has a lock and unlock. Also for protecting against your kids, because Ellie is already all up in my makeup and hair products too. So that's really nice. I actually am also going to use these rollers. It's actually a 60 pack, 30 of the big ones and 30 of the small ones. I did not have a makeup bag big enough to fit them in, so they're in this cute little Chanel bag. Gonna use the small ones on the bottom layers, and then we'll use the big ones on my top layers right up here. So I am also going to be using this Hot Tools round brush blow dryer. This one I really liked over the Revlon one because I can interchange the barrels. Right now I'm using the smaller one. I'm not sure that it's the smallest, but they do also have a larger one and just a plain brush barrel where you can brush it down. It does get really hot, which is why I like to style with mostly damp hair, because I leave it on the low option. Starting at the root, I'm going to take the blow dryer from root to end a few times. When I get to the ends, I do like to roll the round brush blow dryer. This creates a nice curl on your ends. I do also like to roll the whole strand back up to the root and let it sit there for a few seconds just to add major volume at my roots. This is gonna create a lasting, voluminous, blown out look, which is what we're going for. So I really like this technique. Okay, so when you're blow drying, you're gonna do the same thing you would if you were curling. With a curling iron, you're gonna blow dry away from your face. I find that if I press my hair firmly into these rollers, they typically stay in really well. I don't also have to clip them. Okay, we're basically gonna do the same thing on the next layer with the same size roller. So for this layer, I'm actually going to blow dry up and down like this, whereas on this one I was blow drying like this. It just makes the curls differentiate so that the layers stand out. This top area, we're gonna blow dry backwards. I'm not sure if I mentioned earlier, but this blowout spray is supposed to help your hair just blow dry a little bit faster. Again, we are smoothing out, rolling the ends, and then rolling the round brush curling iron back to the root to create a lift. We're going to use this same technique throughout my whole head of hair on all sections. The back sections do get a little tricky because of the rollers in the way. So what I like to do is blow dry my hair up and then roll the round brush curling iron underneath the hair. You want all of your curls to go in as opposed to out. So that's what I'm doing here. Taking the front layer, I'm gonna go in with these big ones on low. Starting on the top section, my bangs are pretty short, so I do have to hand roll them into the blow dryer. Once they are attached to the blow dryer, I try not to move it too much, but I am rolling it in a backwards motion just to give it that extra curl. And then I do go through the top section like a mohawk and blow dry that backwards as well. Usually there's extra hair on the sides that I will just blow dry upwards and inwards, and then I'll use a big, larger roller on those as well. Officially looking a little crazy. It's okay, gonna look good in the end. I'm gonna go in with this Color Wow Raise the Root Thicken and Lift Spray in my roots. Just right in here, especially up at the top. I just let it set until the last roller kind of feels cooled down. Take a few sips of coffee, check the gram, leave it for a few minutes. I'm gonna start unrolling at the bottom. Okay, and then the back. See how all the curls kind of look different? That's what you want. Woo. So sometimes it does end up a little crazy like this. That's okay. And just quickly perfect it. Then I'm gonna go in with this Suave Dry Texture finishing spray. It says this is volume plus texture for lightweight hold. Just making sure that my swoop stays like that as I blow dry it. I mean, as I hairspray it. You want it to stay swooped. That is the final result. I am loving this hairstyle and haircut so much. If you're curious how I achieved this color and cut, I will link that video down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I do actually a lot more makeup videos over there. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you made it to the end and you are not subscribed, you might as well subscribe. And I would love it so much if you decided to join the fam. I will leave my Instagram link down in the description box along with everything that I used today. Again, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.